Hello there, you know what this is? Another house tour. An ongoing construction site, yes, but the show houses are ready. Super excited. So we are in the heart of Nairobi. This is a development project by Canaan developers, and as Lehem Interiors, we worked hand in hand with the developer and architect to design the interiors. It is a 34-story apartment building with amenities, and today we'll be showcasing to you the show houses. This is the studio, a 1-bedroom unit and a 2-bedroom unit. Are you ready for the reveal? It's showtime. Follow me. Studio apartments are all about proper layout, and I believe this was definitely well thought out. As you walk in, it feels quite pleasant and homey. Right when you enter, we have this dining area here that has an intimate dining set with our round table. Of course, being space conscious, round tables would work best. Of course, we have accessorized it with 2 dining chairs, completely perfect for sitting in the area. Above the wall, we have these beautiful wall frames. I know you're nodding. They look absolutely amazing. Right across our dining area, we have our kitchen area. This is a kitchenette, and we designed this with neutral colors, so black and of a lighter shade. The contrasting tones create such an interesting depth. And of course, it works really well close to the dining area because you get to cook and you get to sit and enjoy your meal. Now moving into our living/dining area. The colors bouncing off here are mostly neutrals, and we mostly played around with the lighter colors such as white, because in tiny spaces, the best way to go about it is to keep it light and airy to make the space feel bigger. As you can see, our TV unit totally elevates the look of this space. With fluted white panels, we incorporated a black shelving on the side and then drawers at the bottom in light wood finish just to add warmth to the space. And of course, to complete our living area setup, we have a nice sofa here, perfectly set up for you to enjoy your shows. We have our coffee table over here, just completing the look of our mini living area. Check out our cozy bed area, perfect in size for this space. We have this beautiful, bold, intricate lines on the headboard that look quite unique. We accessorize our bed with squishy standard pillows and accent pillows, throw blanket that make it quite cozy. On the bedside area, we hanged light pendants that give such a nice, subtle elegance into the space. And I would say, talk about small living taken a notch higher. Come on in. We are now in the 1-bedroom unit, and on the right hand we have our kitchenette in the same contrasting colors as the studio unit. The backsplash is in a nice grey marble look finish that intricately blends with the cabinetry. In the initial design stage, we select materials keenly to suit the preference of many. So white ceilings, neutral walls, woody flooring to add warmth to the space. Perfect combo, right? As we move on to our dining area, we have this beautiful dining set with 4 seaters. The chairs are in a beautiful leather finish, very contemporary, creating such a beautiful appeal in the space. Our open plan space, of course, accommodates our living area over here. Quite stunning, I know. So you can never say a space is too small. That would just be an excuse. We styled this area with a beautiful 3-seater sofa with intricate lines, some curves, adding so much character to the space. Above it, we have a beautiful art piece, adding some bold blue hues in the space. We centered this area with a nice, sort of an hexagonal coffee table in sophisticated marble look finish that looks absolutely amazing. I love these tools. The details on it with this beautiful black interweaving locks just looks absolutely great. They add such a nice authenticity to the space. And as we look to our side, we have our beautiful TV unit in a nice light awkward finish, adding a natural finish in the area. Oh wow, this headboard looks exceptional. I love the fusion of the brown leather with the checkered throw. I think both of them just give quite a bold look that looks quite appealing. Well, this looks comfy. My back needed this, guys. Can we take 2? Are we done? So right adjacent to our bed area, we have a beautiful bold accent chair in black leather that looks absolutely amazing, and boy is it comfy. Over here we accessorized it with a nice pillow in a nice textured finish with the same hue that ties all together with our headboard. I totally love this. It looks absolutely amazing. Now to crown the final look of our space, we added some bedside pendants and a mirror. Well, let's check out our bathrooms. Oh, hold up. We have a beautiful console setup over here, beautifully accessorized with dummy books, a statue. We have a vase over here with plants, and we accessorize the wall with a beautiful artwork. Quite a beautiful view as you walk into the washroom, right? Our lovely bathrooms showcase such a beautiful dark moody look with the dark gray tiles and black sanitary fixtures. The beautiful clean lines show the great workmanship involved. This looks quite remarkable. Now to finalize our house tour, we'll finally take a look at the 2-bedroom unit. At the entrance, we accessorize this area with these beautiful 3D art pieces that look quite trendy. As we move ahead, we walk into our dining/kitchen area that looks quite clean and sleek. We have our dining table here in marble look, and it's round, adorned with green dining chairs that add such a beautiful hue in this space. Above it, we have this luminous pendant that we hung above here that ties well together with the rest of the dining set, creating a beautiful radial balance. Right across, we have our living area, and here we replicated the green on the wallpaper, creating such a cozy look. We completed the look in this space with a nice carved sofa, an organic shaped coffee table, and you can never say that you can't have a TV unit on a window wall. Look at that, it looks absolutely impressive. Even the blinds here add such a beautiful character and create a beautiful feature, making this whole unit look quite fantastic. As we move to the corner over here, we have a comfy sitting nook here with a beautiful armchair that you can actually use quite reliably to relax. I mean, you can sit here, maybe enjoy a book. Ooh, this is actually quite relaxing. You can of course sit here, enjoy a book, and maybe even enjoy the views outside. I think it's quite amazing. Now, our master bedroom looks quite inviting. We have a beautiful panel on the wall that adds such a great feature in the space. And whoa, we cannot ignore these beautiful light pendants. They add such a great feature and create a great focal point in the space. Now, our comfy bed over here has been accessorized with accent pillows and a throw blanket in muted tones to create a calm, serene vibe. On our bedside area, you have noticed we have floating bedside tables. That is quite essential when it comes to styling a small space because it allows for functionality, but at the same time saving on floor space. Talk about attention to detail, huh? So follow me as we check out the second bedroom. As we move into the second bedroom, we have a beautiful, wood slatted wall panel over here that adds a lot of depth to the space. Of course, we can see that hints of green are seeping into this space as well on the headboard, and this is adjacent to what we saw in the dining chairs as well as the wallpaper in the living area. Of course, this just creates a beautiful cohesive flow from room to room. So you can see our bed here is accessorized with pillows as well and a nice throw. And on the corner over here, we have a beautiful build-up that is quite comfortable if you want to do your studies and so on. Well, thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed the house tour. Do let us know in the comment section below which is your favorite space. Kindly stay tuned for more amazing content. Of course, kindly subscribe, like, comment and share. And of course, see you next time. Bye-bye.